How to clean your oven inside and out. When did you last clean your oven? Regular cleaning is a must for peak performance and safety. Let's make it easy. You'll need sponge or soft-bristled brush, paper towels, all-natural degreaser, dish soap, vinegar, baking soda, lemon, gloves. Here's a quick guide. Remove the grids and trays. Mix 4 cups of water with 3 tablespoons of baking soda or lemon juice. Spray the baking soda mixture on the internal walls and door and let sit for 15 minutes. Rinse everything with water and a non-abrasive sponge. Don't forget racks, trays, and pans. Spray with an all-natural degreaser. Let sit for 10 minutes. Wash with dish soap and warm water using a sponge, then rinse. Looking for natural solutions? You can also try steam cleaning by heating water in the oven, degreasing with boiled white wine vinegar, removing odors by baking lemon juice, using your oven's self-cleaning function. Can't get your oven clean? Find a pro kitchen cleaner on Thumbtack today.